Hello, welcome back to the channel. We have a geometry question and we need to find the value of b plus d. Let us first give the letters to our question so we can easily explain. I'm going to give letter as A, B, C. This point here I'm going to call it D, E, and F. As you can see, there are things they have given to us. They will help us to get b plus d. First, they have given to us parallel lines, that is DC. It is parallel to AB. DC, it is parallel to AB. FB is a transverse line, which will give us C is alternate to D. That means C is equal to D. That is because of alternate angle, they are equal. Also, we have vertical opposite angle. That is, if you see line FB and line EA, they give us vertical opposite angle. That is 115 is equal to B plus C. This angle is equal to this angle. So, B plus C, this is equal to 115 degree. The reason is vertical opposite angle. Let us see another behavior. We can see line DC is parallel to A, B, but we have transverse line EA, that is EA. Now, angle B, which is over here, is equal to this angle. This angle, they are corresponding. So, using that, B is equal to 55 degree. Here is 55. B is equal to 55. B equal to 55 degree. The reason is corresponding angle. Now we can use this equation here, B plus C equal to 115 to get C. That is B plus C, that is equal to 115 degree, but B equal to 55. So 55 plus C, this is equal to 115. Take 55 to the right hand side, we get C equal to 115. Take away 55, we get C is equal to 60 degree. Also, we know C is equal to D, so automatically D is equal to 60 also. From our question, we need to get the value of B plus D. We need B plus D, but we get B equal to 55. That is 55 plus D equal to 60. So plus 60. We get the answer equal to 115 degree. So the value of B plus D is equal to 115 degree. I hope you understand the question that we have done. Let me leave with you with another geometry question. We're supposed to find the value of X. Please, you can share your answer to the comment section. For more video on geometry, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.